In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on Google Sites. Whether you're working on fine-tuning the details of your site or you just want a closer look at the images you've uploaded, mastering the zoom function can significantly enhance your editing experience. Let's dive right into how you can do just that in a straightforward, step-by-step manner. First things first, you'll need to access your Google Sites. Start by navigating to the Google Sites page. If you're not already signed in, you'll see a sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on that button to begin the sign in process. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type it in and then click next. Following that, type in your password and click on sign in. This will bring you to the main page of Google Sites, where you can start editing your site. Now it's time to select the site you wish to work on. If you've got multiple sites under your belt, find the one you're looking to edit and open it. This will bring you to the main dashboard of your selected site where all the magic happens. Once you're inside your site, locate the image you want to zoom in on. With the image in front of you, the next step is quite simple. Double click on the image. This action will open up the image in a larger view, allowing you to see it more clearly and make any necessary adjustments. Now, to actually zoom in on the image, you'll need to scroll to the right. This might sound a bit unconventional, but in Google Sites, scrolling to the right while you're in the image viewing mode allows you to zoom in close to the image. It's a neat trick that helps you focus on the details that matter. Lastly, once you're satisfied with the zoom level and have made all the adjustments you need, it's time to confirm your changes. Look for a checkmark icon. It's usually located in the top left corner of the image editing window. Clicking this checkmark will confirm and save your zoom adjustments, locking in the new view of your image. And there you have it. You've successfully zoomed in on an image in Google Sites, giving you the ability to work with your site's visuals on a more detailed level. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you work with Google Sites, the more comfortable you'll become with all of its features, including this handy zoom function. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. If you've got any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps we've gone through, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Happy editing!